Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Minds and Machines Group PLC General Meeting. Throughout this meeting, investors will be in listen-only mode. There'll be no questions available to be submitted during today's meeting. Before we begin, I would like just to remind you that a recording of this meeting will be available via your Investor Meet Company dashboard. I'd now like to hand over to Guy Elliott, Chairman from Minds and Machine. Good afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this general meeting of your company. It is now 3 p.m. I am Guy Elliott, the non-executive chairman of the company, and I will act as chairman throughout the course of the meeting. It is now 3 p.m. and the quorum required by the company's articles of association, being 2 members present in person or by proxy, including the online platform, is present. As the requisite quorum is present, I declare the general meeting open. Due to the current COVID-19 pandemic and associated government recommendations on social distancing and the avoidance of public gatherings, this general meeting is being conducted as a closed meeting. Accordingly, shareholders have been requested not to attend this meeting in person. Instead, all shareholders have been asked to vote by proxy. However, the board would like to welcome those shareholders listening in to this general meeting via the electronic investor meet company platform link. We trust that each of you are keeping safe and well throughout these uncertain times. Shareholders were afforded the opportunity to ask questions prior to the meeting, and the board has received a number of questions from shareholders which will be dealt with at the end of the meeting, and the formal business has been conducted. Unfortunately, the Investor Meet Company platform does not allow meeting participants to raise ad hoc questions, and as such, the board will not be tabling any new questions at the meeting. Since there are no shareholders attending this meeting in person, save for the directors, the votes on each resolution today will be conducted on the basis of a poll rather than a show of hands. All proxy votes having been received by 3 p.m. on the 3rd of February 2022 and recorded as valid by the registrar will be counted in the poll. Prior to putting the resolution to the meeting, I would like to advise the meeting of the proxies received by the company in relation to the resolution. Those for the resolution, 79,622,899. Those against, 141,901. No discretion, 28,051 abstentions. In my capacity as chairman of the meeting, I am electing to put the resolution to a poll in accordance with Article 715 of the company's Article of Association. I'm casting all votes for which I am appointed proxy in accordance with the proxy instructions that have been duly received and validated in respect of the resolution. I'm pleased to advise the results of the poll are as follows. In favour, 99.82%, against 0.18%. On that basis, I hereby declare that the resolution is carried as a special resolution supported by the requisite majority, being 75% of shareholders voting at the meeting. That concludes the formal business of the meeting, and we shall move on to answering various questions we've received from shareholders in advance of this meeting. As I understand it, there are no questions which have been submitted. Therefore, on behalf of my colleagues and myself, I would like to thank you all for attending, and that concludes the meeting.
Guy, thank you very much indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, could I please ask you not to close this session, as we'll now automatically redirect you in order that you can provide your feedback in order that the company can take any views or expectations that you may have. On behalf of the management team of Minds and Machines PLC, we'd like to thank you very much for attending today's meeting. Good afternoon to you all.